If you're currently a welder or looking to become one as your career or hobby, then safety gear should be of the utmost importance to you. And right on the top of any list of safety equipment will be a high-quality welding helmet. We've put together a top 5 best welding helmet review of 2024 for you. There are many products available to choose welding helmet, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best welding helmet from reputable brands after much research. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Welder LIG M800H Welding Helmet. If you're looking for a good budget welding helmet, look no further than the Welder LIG M800H. Let's take a look at the main features. The LIG M800H lens has the same 111:2 optical clarity rating as the Black Savage A40. The added True Color technology offers even greater clarity and more precise colors. The LIG M800H has a massive 3.93 x 3.66 viewing area, so you can get the best view possible, and have a wider range of vision. The external mode toggle switch is a great tool for quickly switching between weld, cut, and grind modes, even with those bulky welding gloves on. The LIG M800H is a great option when it comes to a budget-friendly helmet. This helmet has an impressive 4.55 rating on Amazon, making it a reliable and affordable choice for welders. Number 2. ASAP Sentinel A50 Welding Helmet. The Sentinel A50 is one of the most comfortable welding helmets out there. It has a great balance between weight and protection, and the adjustable headgear makes it easy to get the fit just right. Let's take a look at the main features. Low-profile shell design, hard hat adapter, large viewing area, external grind button. The Sentinel A50 helmet is a top-notch product that provides excellent comfort and protection. It's no wonder over 1,000 verified Amazon customers have given it such a high rating of 4.8 out of 5. Number 3. ASAP A40 Welding Helmet. The Black Savage A40 offers exceptional protection. The Black Savage A40's top features are 1.5 optical clarity lens, wide field of vision, sensitivity control, full delay control. The adjustable delay feature on this machine is a great way to save time. Set a longer delay for high amp welding, and a shorter delay for tack welding. It'll help you work faster and smarter. The Black Savage A40 is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a hood that won't flash you and won't break the bank. Customers agree it's rated 4.7 out of 5 on Amazon, based on 225 global ratings. Number 4. Viking 3350 Welding Helmet. The best welding helmets is the Viking 3350. I can honestly say it is one of the best helmets on the market, and it comes in a bunch of awesome colors and designs. It's lightweight and comfortable, with an auto-darkening feature that makes welding easier and safer. Let's take a look at the main features. 1111 optical clarity lens, all-day comfort, extreme versatility, easy, intuitive user interface. I appreciate the padding on the HUD too. It's comfortable to wear all day, and the flip-up feature is handy when I need to keep it out of the way. Overall, the Viking 3350 is a fantastic welding helmet and comes in many cool colors and designs. Number 5. Hubbard Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Hubbard Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Large 9.3 square inch viewing area with widescreen format provides improved visibility. Grind mode prevents lens from darkening for clear, visible grinding. Great heat resistance made of a high-grade leather and soft cotton liner, which is designed to withstand and protect against high temperatures. The glove design features a high-grade leather exterior, Kevlar threading, leather-reinforced stress points, and a fully aligned interior to withstand daily exposure to heat, flames, spatter, sparks. The soft cotton hand liner and straight thumb design enhances comfort and fingertip sensitivity. The inside cuff is lined with a twill cotton. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post informative videos every day. Check out my description if you're in need of more details, or would want to know how much the things cost. If you have any issues, please leave a remark below. Keep up with our awesome product,